Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a Nexus warrior superhero with using Bibbit AI. So Bibbit AI is an AI-powered creative platform that will let you to generate amazing images, designs, and visual content from simple prompts in just a few clicks. And and if you want to try this tool, you can just click the link in the descriptions and pin comment to try this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Bibbit AI like this, and then go to Image Studio, choose AI Designs, upload your photo like this, and then next, just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, or if you want to try and if you want to create your own prompt, just feel free to create it as you like. And then next, just choose your AI designs, choose your ratio like this, and then after that just click submit and wait for the process. And okay, like this, Bibbit I will create your own Nexus where your superhero image, and even it little bit weird, especially on the head part. I think it's a little bit weird, but I think the another result, the overall results, like the background and then the custom, it's still it's still good, it's still cool and incredible. Next, maybe you can just try it yourself with your own photo and then just take a look for the results. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.